Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will erase the watch to remove the forgotten passcode. This is required to pair again. First, make sure your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID and Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, open the Watch app and select the watch, then choose Unpair Apple Watch to erase it. This creates a backup automatically. If you cannot access the iPhone, use the watch's side button and digital crown to force an erase while on the charger, so you can start pairing anew. After initiating the erase, follow through with the process carefully. If you unpaired via the Watch app, wait for the backup to finish on your iPhone. This preserves watch data like settings and health. If you use the button method, confirm erase all content and settings on the watch screen and wait until it restarts. Once the watch shows the pairing screen, bring your iPhone close and follow the on-screen pairing animation. Then select Restore from Backup. To complete the pairing by signing into your Apple ID on the iPhone when prompted. Make sure iCloud and Health Data Restore options are enabled so your settings return. Once the iPhone and watch finish syncing, set a new passcode and confirm it. If pairing fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and try again. Make sure both devices are on the latest iOS/watchOS. If you encounter an activation lock or cannot erase the watch, contact Apple support for account verification to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.